Hey guys, it's Anthony Bella here. I'm here with my birdie Joey here, and he lost one of his eyes. See that? And on this side, he has an eye. And my puppy is not outside. Sorry about that. He's really not. Riley, come here. Come here. Come here. There he is. There's my puppy. Sit. Riley. Riley. Riley, come here. Sit. Smile. Smile, puppy. Smile. Yes, you're a good boy. Ooh, chips and popcorn. And that's a picture of a wolf. That's my brother's trophy. There's me and my brother's trophies up there. I have some of my trophies in my room. And there's a picture of me, my dad, and my brother. And that's a wing thing. I got that because my mom died. And that's a picture of my mom and my dad. And we're going into the dark hallway. And into the black hallway. A light. And guys, I'm going into my basement. Here's like a little spare bedroom I have. It's a pull-out couch. And there's a picture of the light on top of it.